Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Today we'll discuss how to use Redeem ADCB TouchPoints to top up your SIM or transport card, school or college fees, pay utilities bill before it expires. Support us to grow and bring more useful content by subscribing to Tap and Solve. First, log in to your ADCB account. You'll land on the dashboard and there you'll see TouchPoints. Click on it. Next, you'll see Redeem for bill payments. Click on that. Swipe left to New Payee. Select Telecom, then choose Wasel Recharge, Wasel Prepaid. Enter your phone number and your name. Select TouchPoints tab, then enter the amount you want to redeem. Click Continue to complete the TouchPoints redemption process. Follow the similar steps to top up your transport card or pay utilities bill. Any questions? Feel free to comment below. Best of luck.